Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of the Mini Cooper SE 3-door hatch Resolute edition. This is not an in-depth car review of the Mini Electric, so there are tons of videos out there that sort of covers all the features of an electric Mini. So this is just me showing you guys what the Resolute edition looks like in the like real life setting as opposed to the car review setting. As you can see, the roof is white, pepper white, that's what they call it. And also the body color is kind of like a nice tame green. They call it rebel green. And then there are some gold, sort of bronze-ish detail. They also retained the black emblem and the green sort of emblems or detail to indicate that the car is electric. So it's really nice. I really love the gold sort of details around the headlights, the stripes. Makes the car really stand out. So, and of course I had my number plate customized. You know, of course, why wouldn't I? It's a very nice car. So yeah, I picked it up from the Mini Cooper dealership in Wellington. 3 months, exactly 3 months from ordering, so that's really quick. And I think there were 25 in the shipment, so yeah, goes to show that, you know, you get a car that is not just gonna blend in and, you know, different. Yeah. So it came with some merch and freebies. They gave me some magazines, and this one is a pouch slash pencil case, which obviously I am going to use to put all my daily essentials in. And yeah, things like chargers or sorry, charging cables for my gadgets and other stuff. And also they gave me some stuff like tumblers and cups. Actually, no, they only gave me a tumbler and a mug. So not really a ton of stuff. But still, this is the Mini buying experience for you. So even the merch kind of matches the color of the car. So yeah. This car came with a free wall box charger, which arrived like a week before the recording of this video. See, this is the part that I find really satisfying, you know, removing plastics and covers and stuff. Yeah, even the entry door sills are like in Resolute theme, so you can see the gold details. The boot is the same as the usual, you know, the normal Mini Cooper, small, not enough room for, you know, big luggages, so you can maybe fit a couple of paper bags from Louis Vuitton. And underneath is where you'll keep your chargers, so a couple of charging cables that the car came with. One is level 2 and one is, I think, a standard one. Yeah. There's a panoramic sunroof as well. The wheels, they're 17-inch tentacle spoke as opposed to the electric spoke or electric collection spoke. So I prefer the tentacle ones because they look more sleek, and it's not screaming electric. So it kind of, depending on the lighting situation, it kind of looks a little blackish. Yeah, so there's some piano black details and gold stripes as well in the interior, just to stay consistent with the Resolute theme. It's an instrument cluster, just like the regular electric Mini. the Resolute badge on the steering wheel. I'm just showing you guys how it differs from a regular Mini Cooper electric. The seats though are leather, so it's sort of based on the Mini Yours theme, the carbon black lounge theme. So when you buy a Mini Cooper online, or sorry, when you buy it from the dealership, the Mini Yours trim is an option, but in the Resolute edition, it's a standard. Yeah. It's a shame that the car charger, the wireless charger couldn't fit my iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it was way too big for the charger. So yeah, maybe I'll just buy a smaller phone. Yeah, so I love how Mini sort of have retained the sort of normal car feel, with all the buttons and all the bits and bobs. So yeah, unlike the other brands, the other car brands, they sort of have taken the minimalist look or futuristic look way too far. So it kind of sort of makes the car look a little boring. But yeah, that's what I love about Mini. It just doesn't sort of scream electric car. There's just one thing that I guess I want to sort of point out, like how a lot of electric car enthusiasts on YouTube sort of being too dramatic about its range. Like, it's Mini Cooper electric, and the range isn't really long, and it's not created for people who likes to go on long road trips. So I don't know why they're being too dramatic about it, and how they sort of talk about the range anxiety. So if you like Mini Cooper, you like Mini Cooper. It's a short range car. Don't buy it. Get a Tesla or something with a longer range. But yeah, overall, I'm very, very happy with this purchase. I was choosing between a Peugeot 208 or this one, but I'm very happy that I went with the Mini Cooper because it looks stunning. And yeah, this is probably I would probably keep this car for a very, very long time. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.